Hello everyone. I am Dr. M.S.M. Kamil, Assistant Professor from the Department of Chemistry. Now I am going to continue my presentation. The Nuclear Chemistry Part II, Thorium Series. Thorium Series is also known as 4N Series because when 232, the mass number is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. So it is called 4N series. Thorium 232, it emits an alpha particle. By emitting an alpha particle, the atomic number decreases by 2. So 19 minus 2 is 88, and the mass number decreases by 4. So it is radium 228. When it emits the radium 228, it emits an beta particle. So whenever a beta particle is emitted, the atomic number increases by 1. So it is 89, and there is no change in the mass number, that is the 228 remains the same. The actinium 228, when it emits a beta particle, so the atomic number increases by 1. 89 plus 1 is equal to 90, and at the same time there is no change in the mass number. The 228 remains the same. The thorium 228, it emits an alpha particle. So the atomic number decreases by 2. 90 minus 2 is 88, and at the same time the mass number decreases by 4. So radium 224. Radium 224, it emits an alpha particle. Whenever an alpha particle is emitted, the atomic number decreases by 2. So 88 minus 2 is 86, it is radon, and at the same time the mass number decreases by 4 units. So 224 minus 4 is 220. The radon 220, it emits an alpha particle. So the atomic number decreases by 2. 86 minus 2 is 84, and the mass number decreases by 4 units, that is 220 minus 4 is equal to 216. So polonium 216 is formed. The polonium 216, it emits an alpha particle. So the atomic number decreases by 2. 84 minus 2 is 82. The 82 is lead, and at the same time the mass number decreases by 4. So 216 minus 4 is 212. Lead 212, it emits a beta particle. Whenever a beta particle is emitted, the atomic number increases by 1. So 82 plus 1 is 83. The 83 is bismuth, and at the same time there is no change in the mass number. So 212 remains the same. Bismuth 212, it emits an alpha particle. By emitting an alpha particle, the atomic number decreases by 2. So 83 minus 2 is 81. 81 is thallium. And at the same time, the mass number decreases by 4 units. 212 minus 4 is 208. The thallium 208, it emits a beta particle. Since beta particle is emitted, the mass number, the atomic number increases by 1. 81 plus 1 is 82. The 82 is lead, and at the same time there is no change in the mass number. Next, Actinium Series. It is also known as 4n plus 3 series. Why it is called so? Because when the mass number 231 is divided by 4, the remainder is 3, so it is called 4n plus 3 series. Actinium 231, it emits a beta particle. Since a beta particle is emitted, the atomic number increases by 1. So 89 plus 1 is 90. And at the same time, the mass number remains the same. The thorium 231, it emits a beta particle. So the atomic number increases by 1. 90 plus 1 is 91. 91 is proactinium. And there is no change in the mass number because the beta particle is emitted. And proactinium, it emits an alpha particle. So atomic number decreases by 2. 91 minus 2 is 89. Since alpha particle is emitted, the mass number decreases by 4. 231 minus 4 is 227. Actinium 227, it emits a beta particle. Whenever a beta particle is emitted, the atomic number increases by 1. 89 plus 1 is equal to 90. And at the same time, there is no change in the mass number. Thorium 227, it emits an alpha particle. By emitting an alpha particle, the atomic number decreases by 2. 90 minus 2 is 88. Radium, the mass number 88 is radium. The mass number decreases by 4. So 227 minus 4 is 223. Radium 223, it emits an alpha particle. Since an alpha particle is emitted, the atomic number increases by 2. So 88 minus 2 is 86. The 86 is radon, and the mass number of the parent element, that is radium, is 223. And since it emits an alpha particle, the mass number decreases by 4. 223 minus 4 is 219. Radon 219, it emits an alpha particle. By emitting an alpha particle, the first one, the atomic number decreases by 2 unit. 86 minus 2 is 84. The 84, that is 84 is polonium, and the mass number decreases by 4. 219 minus 4 is 215. It emits the polonium, it once again it emits an alpha particle. By doing so, The atomic number decreases by 2. 84 minus 2 is 82. 82 is lead, and the mass number decreases by 4. 215 minus 4 is 211. Lead 211, it emits a beta particle. By emitting a beta particle, atomic number increases by 1. 82 plus 1 is 83. 83 is bismuth. Since a beta particle is emitted, there is no change in the mass number. Bismuth it once again emits a beta particle, so the atomic number increases by 1, and you can see there the mass number, there is no change in the mass number. That is, the bismuth and polonium, they have the same mass number, and polonium 211, it emits an alpha particle. By emitting an alpha particle, the lead is formed, the stable isotope of lead is formed, lead 207. The last one is the Neptunium series. It is also known as 4n plus 1 series. It is an artificial radioactive series. Neptunium 237, it emits an alpha particle. By emitting an alpha particle, actinium is formed. By emitting a beta particle, uranium 233 is formed. Uranium 233, it emits an alpha particle. Thorium 229 is formed. Thorium 229 emits an alpha particle. Radium 225 is formed. Radium 225 emits a beta particle. Actinium is formed. And actinium 225 emits an alpha particle. So francium 221 is formed. Francium 221, it emits an alpha particle. Astatine 217 is formed. Astatine 217 emits an alpha particle. Bismuth 213 is formed. The bismuth it can emit an alpha particle. There are two ways are there. It can emit an alpha particle and then beta, or it can emit an beta particle then alpha particle. After that it forms the lead 209. The lead 209, it emits a beta particle. So the end product is bismuth 209. So so far we have discussed 4 series. One is the 4n series, thorium series. The parent element is uranium 239. The daughter element is the lead, the stable isotope of lead. Here in this series, there are 6 alpha particles and 4 beta particles are emitted. The number of elements in this series are 11. The other one is the Neptunium series. It is also known as 4n plus 1 series. Here the parent element is Neptunium 237. The daughter element, that is the final element that is formed in the series, is bismuth 209. Here the 7 alpha particles and 4 beta particles are formed. The number of elements in this series is 12. Uranium series, it is also known as 4n plus 2 series. The parent element is uranium 238. The daughter element is the final daughter element is the lead 206. And here the 8 alpha and 6 beta particles are formed. Number of elements in the series is 15. Actinium series, 4n plus 3 series. The parent element is the actinium 231. The daughter element is lead 207. Here 6 alpha and 5 beta particles are formed. The number of elements in this series are 12.